In the last video, I explained how in the oxidative branch of the pentophosphate pathway, glucose 6-phosphate was transformed into ribulose 5-phosphate in 3 reactions. In this video, I'm going to explain how the ribulose 5-phosphate is essentially disposed of in the stage 2 and 3 of the non-oxidative branch. And in later reactions, the ribulose 5-phosphate will be converted to glycolytic or gluconeogenic intermediates that will tie these pathways together. So first, stage 2. In stage 2, we will need to run stage 1 3 times to obtain 3 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate. And then what we will do is we will use an epimerase enzyme to convert 2 of those molecules to xylulose 5-phosphate and 1 of those molecules to ribose 5-phosphate. So here are the structures. So here's ribulose 5-phosphate. Again, that was a product of stage 1 of the pentophosphate pathway. And the stoichiometry is that we need 3 of those molecules because we're going to need to use the epimerase enzyme to convert 2 of them to xylulose 5-phosphate. If you look at carbon number 3, what we will do in this reaction is we will take the carbon number 3 OH that is pointing to the right and we will switch its conformation so it is pointing to the left. So you might remember that epimers are isomers that differ in the configuration about only 1 carbon. And in the isomerase reaction, we will convert 1 of these molecules to ribose 5-phosphate. Again, you might notice that ribulose 5-phosphate is a ketose and ribose 5-phosphate is an aldose. So let's look at the epimerase reaction. Again, we're going to take 2 of the ribulose 5-phosphates that we obtained in stage 1, or the oxidative branch of the pentophosphate pathway, and use the epimerase to convert ribulose 5-phosphate to its epimer, xylulose 5-phosphate. And here what we've done is change the configuration of carbon number 3 so that instead of pointing to the right, it is pointing to the left. And 1 of those 3 of the ribulose 5-phosphates will be converted to ribose 5-phosphate. Here, the isomerase converts the ketose to the aldose. In summary, we will take from stage 1, carried out 3 times, 3 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate. 2 of them will be epimerized to xylulose 5-phosphate, and 1 of those will be isomerized to ribose 5-phosphate. In the next video, I will explain what we will do with these 2 molecules of xylulose 5-phosphate and the 1 molecule of ribose 5-phosphate.